Bitcoin continues to trade within a defined structure. What has changed is not the framework, but how price responded over the past 8 days. In addition, Bitcoin completed a rotation into the upper range of the two-way structure, reaching the area around 97,600. At that point, the MacroStructure framework outlined two possible paths. Either price would extend into the next phase, or rotate back toward balance. Price chose balance. Bitcoin failed to transition into expansion, and instead rotated back toward the central pivot, reinforcing the integrity of the two-way structure first identified in December. This move did not weaken the structure, it confirmed it. As price rotated lower, buyers defended the 87,000 zone. This area acted as a critical demand reference throughout December 2025, and continues to do so today. At the time of this update, Bitcoin trades back above the central pivot, around 90,000. The two-way structure remains intact. Price is still operating within balance. The central pivot, around 88,890, continues to define the balance point between the upper and lower structures. The 87,000 zone remains the ceiling of the lower structure. A failure there would expose deeper lower structure references in the 85,000 to 82,000 region. Above the central pivot, attention shifts back to the 90,966 area. The zone between 90,966 and 92,250 has historically acted as a supply point, and could experience volatility if revisited. A sustained hold above that band would reopen the path toward the prior upper range rotation seen earlier this month. This is a two-way rotation continuing to play out exactly as defined by the structure. The macrostructure map has not changed. What continues to evolve is how price behaves around each reference. The structure is already in place. Price is simply revealing how it interacts with it. Stay connected to the MacroStructure trading desk. Subscribe and follow updates as prices trade around these crucial levels. These desk updates document a structure-first process, observing how price accepts or rejects predefined levels over time. This observation is for informational purposes only, and does not constitute financial advice.